Hello everyone and welcome to the Learn a Trade channel. My name is Kevin Tate. Glad to be here with you all today. Today I'd like to go over 10 steps to attract more clients to your commercial equipment repair business. Attracting more clients to your commercial equipment repair business can be achieved through a combination of marketing strategies, excellent service, and relationship building. So here are a few tips we're going to go over. A few suggestions rather. Number one, online presence. Ensure your business has a strong online presence. Create a professional website with detailed information about your services, experience, and contact details. Optimize it for search engines to increase your visibility. 2. Social media. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram to connect with potential clients. Share content like repair tips, client testimonials, and behind the scenes looks at your work to build engagement. Number 3, online reviews. Encourage satisfied clients to leave positive reviews on platforms like Google My Business or Yelp. Positive reviews can significantly influence potential clients. Number 4, networking. Attend industry-related events, trade shows, and local business networking groups to build connections with other professionals and potential clients. Number 5, partnerships. Partner with manufacturers or sellers of commercial equipment to be their preferred service provider. This can bring a steady stream of clients who need repairs. 6, referral programs. Implement a referral program to encourage existing clients to refer new clients in exchange for discounts or services. 7, advertising. Consider targeted advertising such as Google ads or social media ads to reach specific demographics or business sectors that use commercial equipment. 8, exceptional service. Providing outstanding service will lead to word-of-mouth referrals. Focus on quick response times, quality repairs, and customer satisfaction. 9, direct mail. Send brochures or flyers to local businesses that might need your services, highlighting your expertise and special offers. Number 10, email marketing. Keep in touch with past clients and leads through regular newsletters or promotional emails. Implementing a combination of these strategies can help you grow your client base and establish a strong reputation in the commercial equipment repair industry. I thank you all for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Stay well, everyone. See you on the next video.